Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I have for you all things communication when it comes to your Apple Watch. And I'm going to go ahead and get started right away because we have a lot of things to cover. If you like this video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it really helps on my channel. And make sure to hit that bell notification so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. The first thing I want to talk about is how to make calls. There are multiple ways that you can make a call with your Apple Watch. The first way is going through messages so that you find the contact of who you want to call. Then you're going to force touch, and that's going to allow you to see that contact and all of the things that you can do with that contact. And then you can go ahead and choose to call. It'll give you the option of calling via FaceTime or making a call with the Apple Watch. The other way that you can make a call is just by asking Siri. So you go ahead and press on the crown, hold it down, and then you ask, call such and such. You say the person's name, and if they are saved onto your contacts, Apple Watch will go ahead and call that person for you. Call John Dunn.
Calling John Dunn.
When it comes to answering calls, there are multiple ways you can answer the calls, and one of the things that I really enjoy about the Apple Watch is that if you have somebody that's calling you and you do not have your phone with you, you can check to see who's calling you, and then you can scroll up on the crown and it will give you the option of answering the phone call on your iPhone. So all you have to do is press answer on iPhone and it will put the caller on hold. It'll actually say to the caller something such as, please hold for the Apple user. It'll give you a chance to go and find your iPhone, and then you can go ahead and answer it on there. Another way that you can answer a call, which is super convenient for me and I really like it, is that you can answer your phone call on your watch, and then you can grab your phone, and on your phone you will have a green little button on the top, and then you click that and it will transfer the call from your Apple Watch where everybody can hear it and it's like on a speaker to your phone, and you can put it on speaker if you'd like. Hello? Hi, I have you on my Apple Watch. I'm gonna just transfer you over to my phone really quick. Hello?
Hi.
Okay. That's all. I just wanted to show how to do that. Thank you. But I love that option because sometimes you don't want to, or you want to answer the call really quick and you want to say, hey, hold on, I just have to get my phone or whatever, if you don't want to have that person holding for so long. So that is a thing that I found out by mistake, but I use it all the time. I absolutely love it. I think it's very convenient, and it's just a cool little trick to have so that you can say, you know, maybe you can say something like, hey, I'm going to call you right back in 2 minutes. I'm in the middle of something, and then you are able to answer it. Or you can say, hey, you know what, hold on, give me a second, and then you can just go to your phone, transfer, and then you can finish your conversation there. Writing a message with your Apple Watch is super easy. All you have to do is go to the message icon, and then you can select who you want to send a message to if you have already sent a message, or you can do force touch, and that will access a new contact. You can enter in a number, you can enter in a name via dictation, so you can say the name out loud and it'll choose that person, and you can go ahead and just type it in with the letters. Now, when you are creating a text message, what's really cool about the Apple Watch when you're writing it out is that if you have a word that's really long, such as everybody, let's say, you could just put EVE, and then you can scroll up or down on the crown and it will finish that word for you. So I will write EVE and then I'll scroll up and I'll put every, and then if I accidentally mess up and I hit and I say that I want every, and I do that by stopping the motion on the crown, it'll select the one that it is highlighted. If I do not want that word and I messed up, I can just re-scroll and it'll highlight that word again and then go to the one that I actually want. So very convenient when it comes to having to write a little bit longer of a message on your Apple Watch, but those are the times when you can't have your phone with you. You need to send a message, it's super important. You just go ahead, do it really quickly, and it makes the message writing on your Apple Watch a lot easier. And it doesn't take as long to write it. What's really cool about the Apple Watch also is that it has the ability to have multiple languages. Now, I speak English and Spanish, and sometimes I want to do my dictation in Spanish, sometimes I want to do my dictation in English. In order to change the language, you have to press a dictation, and you will see on the top of the screen what language is currently going to be the dictation. So then if you want a different language, what you do is you just force touch onto the screen whatever language you have. It will tell you to choose the language, and then you click that, and then it will give you the list of languages that you have available on your Apple Watch. How are you doing today? Question mark. And that is a pre-setting that you can do, and I also have how to do that on a different video, which I will link in the cards somewhere up here. The last and final communication method that I want to talk about briefly is the walkie-talkie app. So the walkie-talkie app is just that. It's just like a walkie-talkie. Essentially, you're pressing down on the screen, talking into the watch, and then the other person that you are sending a message to is hearing that live voice message at the same time. Now, right before the message comes in, they hear like a do-do-do-do, and then they know that there's going to be a message. So if they do not want to hear it, they can always put their hand over the watch and it will not give them the message. Also, you can put yourself as available or not available. So if you are a person that has multiple meetings, or if you're in a classroom such as myself, I am a teacher, and I can't necessarily have my sister send me a walkie-talkie message all day long, I will put myself as unavailable, and then I will not be able to receive messages. I went ahead and tried to message my sister, and I will insert a clip of that now where she was unavailable, but I did it because I wanted to show you guys how you can do it and not necessarily get through, which is very important for those of you that need that time where you are not available during the day. Patty, are you available? And that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I have a lot more Apple Watch type videos coming your way. I want to do a whole bunch of different Apple Watch stuff, and I want to do a lot of stuff that's going to bring you guys a ton of value in my channel. I have a lot of fitness stuff, I have workouts, I have lifestyle, I have food, nutrition, I have tech stuff. I'm very excited and I'm feeling very inspired. I've been crazy busy because, as I mentioned, I'm a teacher. This is the end of the year. We're in the grind. I'm exhausted, but I'm having a lot of fun, and I will probably do a video where I tell you guys all about it. I have not necessarily mentioned in another video that I am a teacher now, and that's something that I'm very excited about, and I will definitely share that in a lifestyle video. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get a notification every time I post a new video. And thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye-bye.